Parading the 67 gay suspects before journalists in Warri, the police command spokesman DSP Bright Edafe explained that their arrest was successful following the arrest of a suspected member who was dressed in female attire and was noticed by operatives during a stop-and-search operation. Upon interrogation, the suspect confessed he was on his way to attend a gay wedding ceremony at an hotel in Warri metropolis.
They intercepted one Chooks Chinye, dressed, he happens to be a male, but he was dressed like a lady. Upon intercepting him, he told the policemen that he is an actor that came from Lagos State to shoot a movie here in Delta State. They brought him to the station and continued interrogating him before he now gave us a confessional statement that he belongs to the gay society and they are having a ceremony at one hotel called Tibulus Hotel along Refinery Road here in Ekpan.
The police PPR, while disclosing the punishment that awaits them if found guilty by the court, advised parents to closely monitor their children.
And I'm telling you, the least sentence upon conviction if found guilty is 14 years imprisonment. Then for accomplices, that is, people who hate and abet these people, they go for 10 years imprisonment.
Some suspects who were given the opportunity to speak claimed they were lured into the ungodly act while in their teens.
Police come to the party ground and start to arrest someone, and I don't know where to hide. And I come to them so that they can arrest me because I do not have anything to prove that I'm not among of them.
Are you a gay?
Yes.
How long have you been with a gay?
4 years now.
I'm not myself that day. I was not myself that day. I was high, drunk. So somebody is trying to having sex with me, and I said you should stop. Because I was not at myself that day.